Hey guys, it's Mark here, and today we're gonna talk about should you buy the Redmi 4X or not? And coming right up. The Redmi 4X feels very premium, and for its size itself, it feels good. And the screen color, it looks amazing, honestly speaking. And the fingerprint at the back is very nice and very easy to access. The screen size itself is pretty decent, and for a 5-inch screen, it's not that bad. And it's kind of smudgy and slippery without a case. I would suggest you guys to get a case. Overall, the performance of this phone is incredibly fast, and it did not disappoint me. So far, the camera seems pretty good during daylight, but during low light and it'll be out of contrast. Overall, the performance are not that bad, but the issue right now is the touchscreen issue, where when you started scrolling and well, it doesn't scroll as smooth and it'll automatically open something while you're scrolling. That is the issue that most Redmi 4X users are experiencing. Overall, it's pretty good phone. It feels good and it actually looks amazing for a phone. It's not that squarish and extra roundish, but overall I do like having this phone. It's actually an amazing phone. Camera wise good, speaker good, screen good. Overall, it's a whole package. With a 3GB of RAM and 32GB of storage, it's actually not that bad. I heard there will be a 4GB and or maybe a 64GB variant. Maybe you guys can go for that if you guys prefer a small screen, or maybe you can just go for the Note 4 or the Redmi 5 or Redmi 5 Plus, which is the latest one. Overall, it's pretty good. If you guys are planning to get it, I would suggest you guys to get it. It's super fast, with the MIUI 9 are actually very amazing. Everything is well optimized, and not just that, the split screen is amazingly useful. I would love to see that on iPhones, but well, I don't know when iPhone will have it. Overall, I think that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope this video helped you guys to make the decision easier. And I'll catch you guys later. Bye!